Hello and welcome to Trading Mantras. Today we are going to explain inside bar price action pattern for trading, which is very powerful and low risk high reward pattern. The inside bar pattern, which is very good price action pattern for intraday. And inside bar pattern is a 2-bar price action trading strategy in which the inside bar is smaller and within the high to low range of the master candle or prior bar. For example, if this is the mother candle or prior bar, okay, you can call it mother candle or master candle or prior bar, anything you can call it, different names for that. Inside, another small candle will be formed. This is the mother candle, this is the small candle. So the small candle should be inside this master candle. This is inside bar, okay. This is master candle. Master candle. That means small bar's high is lower than the previous bar's high. You see, the high of the small bar is lower than the mother's bar's high. Okay, and the low is higher than the mother candle's low. Mother candle low is very low, right? But the smaller candle low is higher than mother candle's low. Okay, this is how you can identify the mother candle and small candle. Okay, it is relative position can be at the top or it can be at the top. Sometimes if this is the red candle, the probability of forming the green candle lower side. If this is the green candle, the probability of forming the small candle top side of the bar. This could be red, like this. This could be green. Okay, this is how it can be formed. The prior bar, the bar before the inside bar, is often referred to as mother bar, master candle, or elephant candle, which is sometimes elephant candle, big huge candle, master candle. Different people call it as with different names. Okay, just remember, like this is a big candle and next candle would be between this candle, between the high and lows. Okay, the high and low of this small candle shouldn't touch this high of this master candle and the low of this master candle. Okay, it should be between these high and low. The smaller candle high and low should be between the high and lows of the master candle. Okay, that's how you must remember. That is the basic point. The more master or mother candles could be like this. It would be very big and smalls. And it could be very big and small candle inside. Okay, it could be little bit small and next candle would be very small, like this, or sometimes it will be very big and 2-3 candles confined between the high of master candle only, like this. Okay, the small candles high and low won't cross and won't touch this high and low of the master candle or mother candle. Okay, this is how they form usually. Okay, how to trade with inside bars. Inside bars can be traded in trending markets in the direction of the trend. If this is an uptrend, for example, it makes higher highs, higher lows, like this, right? At some point, it hits this level and makes one green candle here, and inside this, it may confine small candles like this, 1 or 2 candles, sometimes only 1 candle, the more the candles it holds and it consolidated, the more strongly it gets breaks out. Once it gets breaked out here, you will take an entry with tight stop loss for big rewards. Okay, when traded this way, they are like typically referred as breakout play. This is a breakout play, right? Or an inside bar price action breakout pattern. This is an inside bar price action breakout pattern. Okay, sometimes inside bar pattern can cause the beginning for trend reversals. For example, if the market is in downtrend, like this, if it is touched some demand zone with some red candle, then it started making small candles. Okay, it holds small candles inside 1 or 2 3 days like that, and it started breaking out. The same pattern you can observe in the intraday also. Okay, not only on daily, you can observe in intraday also. Suddenly breaks out from this level, it breaks out with this master candle, then you will take an entry. This is the area for the trend reversals. This is the beginning for the trend. Okay, this is like inside bar reversal, this is called. Okay, the entry for an inside bar signal is to place a buy stop loss. Okay, if you are taking entry here, you put your stop loss here. If you are taking downside, you put a stop loss above that mother bar, and then price breakouts above or below the mother candle. Okay, our entry then only our entry order gets filled. If it breaks out, then only you take a position here. Okay, if it is downside, if it is going like this, and if it is for suppose if it is going like this, and here the resistance, then it made some green candle here, huge green candle, then small red candles inside this. Okay, next candle should break this high of this candle, then you take position short and you put stop loss above this. Okay, and your target will be next support. Next target will be support 2, like that you can play. Okay, stop loss placement is usually low of the master candle. You put stop loss above this candle, right? Because it is the high of that master candle. There only you must put. It can be placed near the mother bar. Sometimes you can put 50% if it is the huge breakout candle to avoid the risk. If you can take much risk, you can put stop loss. It all depends on you. Okay, I will show you once again this one. You can put stop loss of these are the small candles, and the next candle would be big breakdown by crossing the mother candle. So this is huge candle, right? So you can't put stop loss low of this candle as per your risk appetite. Then you can plan 50%. If it is going up further upside, it will go. If it is taking your stop loss, just let it take. Okay, if it is taken stop loss here, it will definitely come to this level. Then you can re-enter if it is bouncing back. Small candles. Okay, better to avoid. If it is such big candle, better to avoid putting stop loss low of this candle. If you can take much risk, if you are okay with that risk, you can take. Okay, let's look into the charts now for the explanation how this inside bar pattern will works. Okay, for intraday on Bank Nifty. The optimal time frame for inside bar price action pattern on Bank Nifty is 15 minutes. You shouldn't use below 15-minute charts. At least you should use 15 minutes. You can go for 30 minutes if you want, but 30 minutes you can find that trades are very less. So we use 15 minutes on Bank Nifty. For stocks, daily should be better. Okay, we shouldn't go below daily time frame. If you went for like some 15 minutes or 30 minutes, you will find a lot of noise. It will be messy. Okay, let's figure out inside bars on Bank Nifty. You can see on 28th February, there is an inside bar here. If you observe clearly, around 2 o'clock, it made inside bar. Okay, this is the mother candle, and this is inside bar. No need to be a full body candle. It can be pin bar also. You can enter on the by crossing this top on this candle. You enter and your stop loss will be low of this candle. You get like some 1:1 here on the end of the day. Okay, this is the first candle. You should practice this one to identify such levels. Okay, if you observe clearly, this is also another inside bar here upside. Okay, this is the one and this is the one. This is the big master candle, but this is like some fake breakout. Okay, it taken your stop loss. Understand? Yeah, here you lost and here you won. Okay, let's figure out further inside bar patterns. On March 1st, here it made one inside bar here. First candle itself made one inside bar. If you observe this first candle itself inside bar, the high and low of the small candle didn't touch the top and bottom of the first candle. So you take an entry on the low of this candle. The next candle also inside bar. If you miss that opportunity, you can even enter here. Okay, this is very small candle, so you can enter by cross when the price is crossing this level. Your stop loss will be here. You can ride all this move. Okay, it's very good opportunity. Okay, let's figure out further. On March 4th, this is mother candle or master candle, and this is inside bar. 1, 2, 3. After 3 candles given breakdown and given some 1:1. Okay, small profit. Could be small, but this is very good opportunity to trade, right? And it's given another opportunity here. This is the big candle and this is the low. This is the master candle. Okay, I'm deleting previous levels to avoid confusion. So this is the high and low of the master candle. This is the inside bar. While crossing this candle, you enter your trade. Okay, this is the move you get around 639 to almost 300 points move. It's very huge move, good move, right? Let's figure out further inside bar pattern. On March 8th, if you identify given another opportunity of inside bar, you see it made one master candle and the next candle is in between the high and low of this master candle. You will enter here, and how good it moved, you see. If you entered here, for example, 405, you exit around 33 to 14, almost 800 points move, which is very good move, right? And March 9th, another opportunity for inside bar. See, almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 candles concentrated in this region. So suddenly given breakout around 12:15. There is no trade until 12:15. Once breakout happen, how many points it is given? 333, 332, 878, almost 500 points move. That's how big moves it has given on that day, right? Such a huge move. That's how powerful. You put tight stop loss and your target will be very high. Sometimes it gives further inside bars. And March 10th, given another opportunity inside bar. This is the small candle and the 2 candles inside this bar, and given opportunity almost some 300 points move. Okay, which is very good. On March 14th, another inside bar formed here in the early morning itself. Okay, we take an entry on the breakout of this candle around 11:15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles concentrated between this area. We take an entry on the top of this candle and see how the move is. If you entered here around 984, almost 500 points move, which is very good move, right? That's how powerful inside bar is. Let's figure out further inside bars. On 15th, if you observe, it made another inside bar around 215, and given breakout here, while crossing this top, we take an entry around 900, and given almost to 200 points move. Very good move, right? Let's figure out further inside bars. And March 21st around 11 o'clock, it made one inside bar here. Okay, you enter on this candle and it given almost 200 to 300 points fall given, which is very good for intraday, right? Find out further inside bars. You see here another inside bar here on March 22nd around 11 o'clock. Okay, this is inside bar and given opportunity here 568 to 436, 397, almost 200 points move, 170 to 200 points move, which is very good for intraday, right? Let's find out inside bars. Here you can see on the 11 o'clock 23rd March made one master candle here, and next inside bar. This is inside bar. Once this low is broken, given almost 274 to almost 200 points, which is very good move, right? Wonderful move. Let's figure out further inside bars. And March 24th in the first candle itself, inside bar pattern. If you entered here on this candle 752 around almost 200 points move, which is very quick move and good. And on the top side also another inside bar. Yeah, broken this level, fell almost 429, almost 380, 600, 835, almost 400 points move downside. 400 and yeah, nearly 400 points move. Very good move, right? Okay, this is another important inside bar pattern. You see how long it was consolidated. Okay, it has given breakdown here on this week. We take an entry, but given very small stop loss. It's almost held till 145 given breakdown and retested this level. Okay, came inside. If you put stop loss 50% of this level, it might take. Or else if you book this small profit, it will be some 100 points. Okay, let's figure out further inside bar. On March 28th, this is an inside bar. The top is not broken. I mean between the high and low. Next candle broken the top. We enter here. See the move. Almost 600 points move. Very huge move. Next, let's find out more inside candles. Here another inside bar. This is okay, pin bar, bearish pin bar upside. This is the breakout candle. We enter here on this candle, which is 700, almost 200 points. In the first candle itself also inside bar. Okay, it's given almost some 487, almost 300 points move. And this is some 300 points move. This is also another March 30 inside bar. See the move. It's upside only till evening. If you enter here, 232 to 355, almost 130 points. The next day, let's figure out more inside bars. This is an inside bar. You see on the top side, this is an inside bar. Okay, it formed inside this candle, so we enter here. Let's delete these lines, will make you confused. Okay, this is an inside bar. Okay, if you entered here, you will make some 100 points profit, 120 something like. Here, given opportunity to take an entry as per our rule. This is an inside bar and this is the entry, 812,209, almost 400 points move, very big move. Yeah. This is an inside bar. You see, this is such a huge candle. Okay, you can't take the entry if it is crossing this one. So you take, usually it works. Small stop loss and big targets. Usually this candle low will be the target. So once the inside candle forms like this with huge candle, then you can enter while crossing this candle low. If you enter here, this candle low is your first target. You're done with your target. Okay, and another opportunity here given as usual. This is the inside bar. This is the red candle is inside bar. This is the mother candle or master candle. You entered here, 850, almost, sorry, not 850, 350, almost 300 points more. No opportunity here, given opportunity, inside bar here. Okay, this is an inside bar, confined between this master candle, crossing this one, 273 to 963, almost 300 points. This is also an inside bar, given small profit. Okay, small profit, this one given, not very big. If you didn't exit here, it may take your stop loss by reversing. Sometimes it happens. This is not a reverse bar, inside bar. So that's all for that day. There are no inside bars on that day. Okay, this is an inside bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on April 7th. Sixth candle is broken and given up to 400 points more. Okay. That's all for that day. and here no, yeah, here made an inside bar 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, almost 145 given opportunity, small profit given. No inside bar around. We are on April 12th. This is not an inside bar. No opportunities on April 13. Wicks are closed above and below. Okay, this is an opportunity. You see this red candle and the green candle. Once this crosses, almost given 486 to 819, almost 400 points. You must observe. You must be in the trade. Okay, then only you can find such things. Okay, your brain must be very clear in taking decisions. Okay, don't confuse and don't afraid to take any trade if it is given. This is another opportunity on April 13th. You take an entry here. You take an entry and crossing, and your stop loss will be here. And all the day it will be in the downside only. Okay. You made around 831 to some good money. 405, almost 430 points move. Okay. What a beautiful day. No opportunities made here. Very good fall, but no opportunities was made. Here given opportunity, inside bar. Okay, if you take the entry on this week, it may take your SL. Okay, it won't take, but you have to exit once you see another inside bar upside. If you took the entry here, it given small profit. And this is another inside bar. If you took the entry here, you might made some 492 trades, almost 100 points move. Okay. No entry was made there. On April 22, this is an inside bar. This is the mother candle. And see if you entered here, 293, almost 270 points. And next day, this is an inside bar. If you take an entry here, this is gonna be like Very good day for you. 968 to 196. 300 points move. And let's figure out further. This is inside bar. See the downside move. If you entered here 990, almost 200 points move. This is an inside bar. Practice this as much as you can, okay? Watch up to 5 to 6 months previous charts. Then only you can identify very quickly. You can enter here and 36055. You will exit here 480. This is an inside bar. Where is the inside bar? There is no inside bar. No inside bar there. 215 given inside bar. Here low is broken, so it's not inside bar. The wick is broken here. There is no, this is an inside bar. Okay. If you enter here, you may make like some 362, 292, 98, almost 200 points at least. You'll get. There is no inside bars. Here this is an inside bar. If you enter on this candle, 180 points you can get. This is another inside bar. Okay, you can enter here almost 681 to 171, almost 500 points. This is another inside bar, downside. If you entered here, 140 points you can achieve on this trade. There are no inside bars. Okay, that's all guys. This is how you can figure out inside bars in Bank Nifty. Okay, let's try find out inside bars in Nifty also. Let's see last 15 days. From May 1st, sorry, April 1st. Okay, this is April 1st. No inside bars around. Probably Bank Nifty can generate more inside bars than Nifty. In Nifty, it's pretty hard to find out regular inside bars, as per my experience. generates very low opportunities. If you entered here, you might earn some 60 points. As this is an inside bar, it's broken this level right there. Here another inside bar. If you entered here on April 8th, while it's broken here, you can enter almost 679 to 845, almost 170, 180 points. You kept on practice this setup, then only here also another inside bar. Here inside bar. This is another opportunity on the same day. Almost. Okay, small. This is small profit. The next day, the chart was. In Nifty, it's pretty hard to figure out inside bars. Better to go on with Bank Nifty only. Okay. This is inside bar for Nifty. Don't make with the regular intervals. It make very less. Just if you entered here 523, 460 will be your target. This is another inside bar. If you enter here, you might make some 70 points. This is another inside bar. If you entered here, you might make some 247 to some 40 points. There is no inside bar here formed. Almost low touched, there is no entry. Here inside bar. A small profit, not much. Let's say almost end of the day. So in Nifty, it's pretty hard to figure out and find the opportunities while compared to the Bank Nifty. So better to do trade this setup with Bank Nifty only. Okay. This is the opportunity 258 to 314, and this is almost high is same. So this is not inside bar. So no opportunity around. This is an inside bar. So almost 150 to 78, 90 points. Move given. If opportunity creates, it works, but the thing is it must create. This is an inside bar. And moved very good. 132 to 294, almost 170 points move. It's pretty high. And Nifty. This is, if the wicks are on the same level, then this is not an inside bar. Okay. Yeah, right. If it is an inside bar, it would be a great move. This is an inside bar here. We can enter here 182, almost 80 points more. This is an inside bar. You can make some good money up to end of the day. Some 50-60 points only. Not very big. No inside bars around. This is an inside bar. Small profit. And this is an inside bar. This is very huge inside bar. Actually, if you entered here, small profit. This is also inside bar. May 5th, small profit. Another inside bar here. See the move. Almost 150 points. It generates, but generates very less. Okay. This is an inside bar here. Almost 5-6 candles concentrated in the same area. Okay. If you exited here, it would be around some 40 points. That's all. If you entered here on this inside bar, you might made some not much, or 190, 60-70 points. Same. Okay, that's all, guys. This is about how to figure out inside bar price action patterns. Okay, you must practice this inside bar patterns. Practice only can make you more perfect to identify in the live market. Please do at least 5 months backtest on Bank Nifty. Try to not to apply Nifty and stocks. Only do trade with Bank Nifty only with this inside bar pattern with 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Okay. Tips for trading with the inside bar pattern. As a beginner, it's easiest to learn how to trade inside bars by practicing this one. Day by day you will improve. Okay, inside bars works best on daily chart time frame for stocks. If you want to use time frame, then daily, then there, of course, first too many inside bars and many of them are meaningless because of the noise in lower time frame. Like they will mislead you with false breakouts with lower frames. Better to avoid trading inside bars pattern on stocks with lower time frame. Okay, don't go below daily time frame. Daily time frame is optimal for stock trading. As Bank Nifty is highly volatile index, so you can use inside bar price pattern without any doubt. Okay, it works fantastic. Okay, once it generates, even if it hits stop losses, it gives very good risk and reward ratios. Okay, for intraday you can put tight stop loss. You can plan high targets. 15 minutes chart is the optimal charting for the Bank Nifty. Don't go below 15 minutes. Okay, it will be messy. And so inside bars can have multiple inside bars within the 15 minutes candle. Sometimes 2-3 candles, 4-5 candles I have shown you in the practical example. I mean in the examples, previous examples with the back tested ones. Okay, it will be 2, 3 or 4 inside bars within the same 15 minutes candles. This is fine. It shows a longer period of consolidation, which often leads to a stronger breakout. The more candles it makes, for example, it making some candles like this. Okay, and if it is making further again small candles inside, like this, 3, some 4, some 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the candles it made, consecutive candles. Then the more it consolidates like this, okay, 15 minutes for Bank Nifty, for stocks also, the more it consolidates, the more it powerfully breaks out. Okay, yeah, if it is broken this level, then you take entry on this candle, you put stop loss below this one. It will be tight stop loss, right? And your reward would be unimaginable. You don't know how exponentially it moves in stocks if it is the daily time frame. If it is the Bank Nifty also, it moves very violently if there is no resistance nearby. If there is no resistance, it will move like a rocket. Okay, price identifying inside bars on your charts before you try trading, then only go live. First try to learn identifying inside bars in the previous charts. Okay, then only you can if you make it habitual, then only you can identify the live market, or else it will be a bit tricky for you. If you are a beginner, then try trade inside bars on a stocks with daily charts and in trending markets. Okay, inside bars usually gives good risk to reward trades because they often provide tight SL placements lead to stronger breakouts as price breaks up or a downside pattern. Okay, once it is broken upside or downside, it will move like exponentially. We don't know where it gonna end. That's how it moves. Okay, that's how it's powerful inside bar patterns. The one daily candle, 1 to 3 daily candles side by side in the means it's consulted in the range. In some region in the means it is like some 15 to 30 minutes candles making some triangle pattern like this. Okay, so triangle breakouts, I think some people may understand how powerful the triangle breakout is intraday or in daily time frame charts. So you can figure out such opportunities, okay, to make good profits. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video on inside bars price action pattern. We'll try to deliver our best, many more to come. Learn and then earn only. Stay tuned. If you like the video, like, share and comment. Share with your friends also. Hit the bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.